Do you feel like the sport has changed since you started college bowling to now?
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. I mean, one, the impact of two-handed bowling obviously is the biggest. Every pretty much every kid under 20 is two-handed now. A vast majority of them. It's almost an inverse of when I was in college. There was definitely two-handers, but the amount, it's literally almost been a polar inverse of just how many two-handers at that age versus how many one-handers.
Yeah, but I know how you bowl. You can rip the cover off a bowling ball
Well,
yourself.
I'm gonna have to bowl all these kids. Try to try to keep up with them as much as possible. But yeah, and then the other thing would be equipment. A lot more urethane. When we were in college, I think our senior year is right when the purple first came out, and we were on Hammerstaff. And so even then, like there were some decent balls I think that were out at that point. But yeah, as soon as that thing came out, everyone was like, well, just throwing that for everything. And so ever since, yeah, I mean it's
Still,
pretty good.
still my favorite.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah,
That was we would go to nationals and pull the BJ and be like, you know what, we got the purples with us. We'll be all right.
yeah. I bowled a little scratch tour around, and they're like, "What are you bringing?" I'm like, "I tell them, like it doesn't matter because I'm gonna throw the purple